Time to suit up.
See you Mondays and Fridays, 8 to 10 on over-the-air WHKY Channel 14.2.
The WHKY News continues now with Community Focus. I'm Ralph Mangum. Rob Eastwood has details on a road project that will result in a closure this week.
The work was expected to get underway Tuesday and was expected to go on until the end of the week. As part of the North Carolina 150 widening project, the North Carolina Department of Transportation's contract crews will close the entrance ramp from North Carolina 150 to Interstate 77 South in Mooresville just after midnight Tuesday, April 8th until 5 a.m. the next day to begin tree removal operations. The closures will continue each night through Friday morning, April 11th, weather permitting. During the closure, eastbound NC 150 traffic will be directed to Williamson Road and Brawley School Road to I-77. Westbound North Carolina 150 traffic will be directed to Talbot Road and Brawley School Road to I-77. For real-time travel information, you can visit drivenc.gov or you can follow the North Carolina Department of Transportation on social media. Reporting for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.
Thanks, Rob. Finishing up today, here's Arianna Mack with news from the City of Morganton.
The City of Morganton Development and Design Department is seeking to help citizens become aware of licensing requirements that apply to contractors doing work within city limits. It is important to verify that the contractor you plan to use has the appropriate license as required by North Carolina law. Some unlicensed contractors may not have adequate insurance, and they may expose you and your assets to significant financial harm in the event of an injury or property damage. Minor repairs and service work to plumbing and heating systems, except for anyone who contracts to install, alter, or restore plumbing, heating, including air conditioning, or fire sprinkler systems, must have a license from the State Board of Examiners of Plumbing, Heating, and Fire Sprinkler Contractors. They can be contacted at 1109 Dresser Court, Raleigh, North Carolina 27609. You can also call 919-875-3612. Contact the City of Morganton Building Department at 828-438-5266 to determine if your work requires a permit. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna, and thank you all for your support of Community Focus. On behalf of Arianna Mack, Rob Eastwood, and Jason Savage, I'm Ralph Mangum. This has been the WHKY News.